As we've seen in a variety of examples, the DuPont expansion is a helpful way to understand why return on equity is performing at a level that it is. This problem deals with the extended DuPont, where what we have here is that your return on equity, and here it's given at 12%, is made up of three components, excuse me. First component is a profit margin. That, when multiplied by the equity multiplier and then multiplied by the total asset turnover, is a breakdown of why return on equity is performing as it is. The other breakdown that we have beyond that measure is to look particularly at the relationship between return on assets and that equity multiplier. Now, here it's asking us to work our way backwards by knowing the ratios and to find out what the dollar amounts are. Eversol Mining has $6 million in sales, a return on equity of 12%, and total asset turnover of 3.2 times. They're 50% equity financed. What is its net income? So here we need to come up with a couple things to find net income. Most importantly, we've got return on equity of 12%, which is net income divided by the level of equity. So if we can find the level of equity, then we're going to be able to multiply that by 12%, and it'll give us what our net income is going to be. To find that level of equity, we're going to have to first find assets. So with a turnover margin of 3.2 times and a sales figure of $6 million, if we're interested to find the asset component, where sales divided by assets is equal to 3.2, then if we go in here to take our $6 million and divide it by this 3.2 times, we find that that's based on assets of $1.875 million. If our equity to asset ratio is 50%, then our level of equity is just 50% multiplied by this level of assets. So we built that on equity of $937,500. If 12% of that is our return, then our net income is nothing more than that 12% figure multiplied by this level of equity. Means that we had a bottom line figure of $112,500 for our level of net income. It's a nice way to be able to play with this to get a better appreciation of what's in the DuPont expansion, just trying to find the components and find out where they are sourced.